Let's go to our next caller, Traci from Arizona. Traci, how can we help you today?
Hello, good morning
Good
or afternoon, wherever you
morning.
are.
Yes,
Hello.
afternoon for us. That's
Hi.
okay.
Whew, I'm so glad I got in. So I did watch one of your guys' other um, videos, and the three things not to do is what I did. So I wish I had seen it before.
Mm.
So I was just curious. So right now, my husband, we've been together 28 years. This year we'll be married 24. I know he is having an emotional affair, and he has moved into a separate bedroom.
Can I have a
So I just
couple of
want to
quick
know
questions
when.
before you go further? Just two
Uh
quick
huh.
questions. How old is he?
Yes, he is. This year he'll be 60.
Okay, and how old is the other person?
34.
Uh-huh. Oh, and I'll ask third question. Has there been any significant event in your lives, especially your husband's life, in the last year or two, like the death of somebody he cares about, the loss of a job? I mean, some significant emotional thing in the last year or two that would affect your husband?
Well, I know he retired 5 years ago.
Mm.
I
He
didn't hear.
retired 5 years ago. And the
Okay.
affair, remind us again when the affair started?
It's almost a year ago.
Okay, so nothing in the last couple of years, no significant thing like a child moving out of the home, nothing like that.
A loss, someone
No.
dying.
Any kind of a loss.
Um, well, his father did end his life like 6 years ago.
Okay, and how did he meet the 34-year-old?
At a local restaurant that they go and eat at.
So she was working there, or they started meeting there?
Yes, yes, she works there. She works there.
Okay, and why is she interested in him? Does he have money? Is he famous? Is there something that would attract her other than just the fact that he's a man?
She probably thinks he has money,
Okay.
but that's not the case.
And when you say an emotional affair, you're sure it hasn't turned sexual yet?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, and how are you sure?
Because I know too many people in the town, and so yeah.
So they
And
could.
if it had, he would definitely tell me.
Huh?
That he would tell me because he would know it would hurt.
And
Oh,
he wants to hurt you?
Um, he said that I've been emotionally and mentally abusive towards him, but he said I was. He told me that he was drifting, but I was in my own deep depression where I was on the verge of ending my life. So if I couldn't be there for myself, how can I be there for somebody else?
and when was all that?
That was about 6 years ago.
Okay, and that's when he started saying that you're not there for him 6 years ago?
Yes, and that I did not make him a priority, and but I was like, I couldn't even make myself a
That
priority.
was also the year he lost his father.
Yeah. Have you gotten help for your
hmm
depression?
I have.
Good. And how are you doing right now?
Right now, I'm doing good because I'm keeping my faith in God.
Okay. Is
I
he a
have
religious man as well?
He is not.
Has he ever been?
He used to go to church with us before, but then he just stopped.
When?
Probably like 6 years ago.
Mm-hmm. You're kind of seeing a pattern here, Tracy.
hmm
Okay. So how may we help you?
I just want to know, when is it time to possibly just let go? Because we're living as roommates. We have a 24-year-old. He sees all of this, and it's not fair to any of us.
How would it be better if you're not together?
It probably wouldn't.
Hmm. So why would you want to separate as long as he's still there? As long as he's still there, you've got a shot at making this thing work again. But if you
Right,
separate,
and that's
go
right.
ahead. Go ahead.
And that's been my way of thinking too. So as long as he's still in the house, there's a chance.
That's right.
But it's just he's very distant, and
Hmm.
conversations are short, and it's just like, well, because at least I'm trying.
Hmm.
And I'm the only person that I can control. So
That's correct.
why I'm just controlling myself, and I'm trying
How
to be the
familiar are
best
you with
version.
the principles that we teach, Traci?
I am not, but I do plan on enrolling
Great. As you
Enrolling.
because
should.
I just barely came across you guys yesterday on a Facebook ad, and then I jumped on and saw one of your videos about the limerence and everything, and from that made sense. So that's why now I've just been like calling and calling and calling, and I'm happy I got on with you guys because I I need the help.
Yeah.
Traci, we're sorry that it hurts. We really are. But you know, we've witnessed so many similar situations to this, and so many times seen it work out. And the faith that you have in God, hang on to that. You know, if you believe in the same God I believe in, He's pretty powerful. He can do some amazing
And
things.
nothing is impossible for him.
That's right.
I read that somewhere. And we would love to help. When you say enroll, what are you considering enrolling in, Traci?
Um, One of your guys' program, and just when I was on hold, I was listening to the show, and then I was listening to the one about the $29. So I'm going to enroll in that, and I do want to enroll in just something monthly, just to
Okay.
make sure that I'm.
How can she find out more about that, Kimberly?
You know, Traci, I can have someone reach out to you today. We have your information here on our end, and so I'll just have a team member, if it's okay with you, I'll have a team member reach out, have a conversation, and see what the best next path forward for you is. How does that sound?
Yes, please.
Absolutely.
Hey, Traci, you hang in there, okay? We got a lot of people on your
That's all
side.
I've been doing for this whole year.
You can
hanging
do
in
it,
there.
Traci.
We're on your side, Traci.
Yeah.
We
All
want to do
right.
everything we can to help you, okay?
Thank you so much.
Yes,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Traci. Oh, she's just at the beginning. She can't give up yet. She's just at
Nope.
the beginning.
Nope. And she's like a strong person.
She does. Very
Good.
much so.
Good.
Very much so.